Sure. We do. Okay. Take care of it. Ready to go?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Sure, no worries.
I didn't mean to get your face. I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm ready. There we go.
Do you want me to blur your face out?
It's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, now we're gonna hand that back down.
And I just want to get a quick picture of the elevator as soon as you let me out.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Sure, you're welcome.
I just want to get my cab view. And here is the view of the controls. And that is going to be it.